Let's take you behind the scenes of how we made our bride, Abimbola's dream, come true. She reached out to us with a simple request, a beaded bag and shoes that would capture the beauty of her Nigerian culture. And of course, we were ready to bring that vision to life.
The issue is how to get the Ashoke across to you, and then how I'll get it back again.
Abimbola sent us her ashoke, and we knew right away that this was going to be something truly special. And so we teamed up with our go-to bag maker, Doge Collection, for the bag design. And while they worked on the bag, we got busy crafting the perfect shoes, cutting and stitching every part with precision and love. We sent her a preview of the shoes, but when Abimbola saw the shoes, she had one last request. Can you make them even more fabulous with beads on the edges? We love an extra bride, and so we added those final touches. A few days later, the bag was ready and we couldn't wait to start beading it. After 3 days of hard work and beading, the bag was a masterpiece. The result? Pure elegance and cultural pride wrapped up in the perfect bridal set. We can't wait to see Abimbola shine on her special day and share those stunning photos with you all. Stay tuned because we are all about creating memories that celebrate you, one beautiful bride at a time.